Hello everyone. Good morning. Myself Isha K. Joshi, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, VPMP Polytechnic. My subject is Power Electronics and the unit name is Semiconductor Devices and Controlled Rectifier. And today my topic is TRIAC. So objective of conducting this lecture is to know about the construction of TRIAC, to know about working of TRIAC, to know characteristic of TRIAC, to know about advantages and disadvantages of TRIAC, and also the applications of TRIAC. So let's discuss one by one. Hello everyone. Now let's discuss another power semiconductor device, TRIAC. We will discuss the symbol, construction, operation, characteristic, advantages, disadvantages, and applications of TRIAC. TRIAC is an abbreviation for 3-terminal AC switch. It is the abbreviation of 3-terminal AC switch. Tri indicates that the device has 3 terminals and AC indicates that the device controls alternating current or can conduct in either direction. Now TRIAC is another 3-terminal AC switch that is triggered into conduction when a low energy signal is applied to its gate terminal. Now there are some difference between SCR and TRIAC. Unlike the SCR, the TRIAC conducts in either direction when turned on. The TRIAC also differs from the SCR in that either a positive or negative gate signal triggers into its conduction. Thus the TRIAC is a 3-terminal, 4-layer, bidirectional semiconductor device that controls AC power, whereas an SCR controls DC power or forward bias half cycles of AC in a load. Because of its bidirectional conduction property, the TRIAC is widely used in a field of power electronics for control purpose. So, let's discuss about the symbol and construction of TRIAC. See, this is the symbol of TRIAC. There are 3 terminals, main terminal 1, main terminal 2, and the controlling terminal gate. Here is the equivalent circuit and basic structure of TRIAC. If we talk about the construction of TRIAC, as we have said earlier, TRIAC is a 3-terminal, 4-layer bilateral semiconductor device. It has 2 SCRs connected in inverse parallel with a common gate terminal in a single chip device. You can see this arrangement here. 2 SCR, SCR1 અને SCR2 બંનેને ઇન્વર્સ પેરેલલ કન્ડિશનમાં કનેક્ટ કરેલા છે અને તેમાંથી એક કોમન ટર્મિનલ ગેટ લેવામાં આવે છે. The gate terminal, this gate terminal G makes ohmic contacts with both N and P materials. જે gate terminal છે તે N અને P. Here you can see in a basic structure, gate terminal છે તે P અને N type બંને મટીરિયલમાંથી ohmic contact કાઢવામાં આવે છે. This permits trigger pulse of either polarity to start conduction. Since the TRIAC is a bilateral device, the term anode and cathode has no meaning and therefore the terminals are designated as main terminal 1 and main terminal 2 and the third terminal is gate. To avoid the confusion, it has become common practice to specify all voltages and currents using MT1 as a reference. So this is the construction an equivalent circuit of tri. Now we will discuss the operation of tri. Triac ને ટર્ન ઓન કરવા માટે ગેટ પલ્સ આપવા જરૂરી નથી. The triac can be turned on without any gate current, provided the supply voltage becomes equal to the breakover voltage of the triac. But the normal way to turn on the triac is by applying a proper gate current. Triac ને turn on કરવા માટે proper gate current apply કરવામાં આવે છે. As in case of SCR, here too, the larger the gate current, the smaller the supply voltage at which the triac is turned on. જેમ જેમ તેનું ગેટ કરંટ વધારે હશે તેમ ઓછા સપ્લાય વોલ્ટેજ ઉપર ટ્રાયક ટર્ન ઓન કન્ડિશનમાં આવશે. Triac can conduct current irrespective of the voltage polarity of terminals MT1 and MT2 with respect to each other and that of gate and terminal MT2. There are different possibilities of operation of triac, which are, the number one is when terminal MT2 and gate are positive with respect to terminal MT1. This is one possibility of operation of triac. Terminal MT2 and gate are positive with respect to terminal MT1. Now, when terminal MT2 is positive, this MT2, this is MT2. If MT2 is positive with respect to MT1, current flows through path P1, N1, P2, N2. And the two junction P1, N1, this junction, and junction P2, N2, this junction P2, N2 are forward biased, whereas junction N1, P2, this junction is blocked and the triac is now said to be positively biased. So when MT2 is positive with respect to terminal MT1, the current path is P1, N1, P2, N2. And the two junction P1, N1 and P2, N2 are forward biased, whereas junction N1, P2 is blocked. And triac is said to be positively biased. This has happened when MT2 and gate are positive with respect to MT1. This is one possibility. Now, let us discuss another possibility. The second possibility is the terminal MT2 is positive, but the gate is negative with respect to terminal MT1. Now, the terminal MT2 is positive, gate is negative with respect to terminal MT1. Though the flow path of current remains the same as in this mode 1, but now the junction P2 and 3 is forward biased and the current carriers injected into P2 turn on the triac. So now when MT2 is positive, gate is negative with respect to MT1, the current flow path will remain same, and that is P1, N1, P2, N2. But now in this case, the junction P2 and 3 is forward bias and current carriers injected into P2 turn on the tri. So, in second possibility, when MT2 is positive and gate is negative with respect to MT1, the current path is same P1, N1, P2, N2, junction P1, N1 and P2, N3 are forward biased and triac is turned on. Triac is turned on. Now, third possibility. The third possibility is when terminal MT2 and gate both are negative with respect to terminal MT1. The third possibility is terminal MT2 and gate both are negative with respect to terminal MT1. Now what happened when MT2, let's see in this diagram, when MT2 and gate both are negative with respect to MT1, the current flow path is P2, N1, P1 and N4. So the current flow path is reversed and it is now like P2, N1, P1, N4. The two junction P2, N1, this junction P2, N1 and P1, N4 means this junction. Both are forward biased whereas junction N1, P1 is blocked. Now this junction is blocked and so the triac is now said to be negatively biased. So in this region, what happened when MT2 and gate both are negative? The current path is reversed like P2, N1, P1, N4. It's P2, N1, P1, N4. Two junctions P2, N1, P1, N4. The two junctions P2, N1 junction and P1, N4 junction. These two junctions are forward biased. These are forward biased and junction N1, P1 junction, this N1, P1 junction is blocked. This junction is blocked and triac is said to be negatively biased. So these are three possibilities and the last possibility is fourth possibility. The fourth possibility is when terminal MT2 is negative but the gate terminal is positive with respect to MT1. The fourth possibility is when MT2 is negative, gate terminal is positive with respect to terminal MT1. So, in this condition, though the flow path of the current remains the same, in mode 3, the current flow path will remain same. It will be P2, N1, P1, N4. So, in fourth possibility, where MT2 is negative, but the gate is positive, then the current flow path will remain same and it is P2, N1, P1, N4. But in this possibility, the junction P2, N2 is forward bias and the current carriers are injected, and therefore the triac is turned on. So now, in this fourth mode of operation, when MT2 is negative, gate is positive, the current path will remain same as in mode 3, which is P2, N1, P1 and 4. And now here P2, N2 is forward biased and triac is turned on. So this is how the triac is operated in 4 modes. Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3 and Mode 4. So there are 4 possibilities of operation of triac. Generally, trigger mode 4 should be avoided, especially in circuits where high di by dt may occur. The sensitivity of triggering mode 2 and 3 is very high, and in case of marginal triggering capability, negative gate pulses should be used. Though the triggering mode 1, this triggering mode 1 is more sensitive compared to modes 2 and 3, it requires a positive gate trigger. However, for bidirectional control and uniform gate trigger, mode 2 and mode 3 are preferred. So સામાન્ય રીતે ટ્રાયક ને મોડ 2 અને મોડ 3 માં ઓપરેટ કરવામાં આવે છે. So this is how the triac works. Now let's discuss the characteristic of triac. This is the characteristic diagram of triac. You can see from the diagram, the triac has on and off state characteristics similar to SCR. Here is the blocking state. So initially leakage current flows and the triac does not conduct during this period. After a breakover voltage, this is a breakover voltage, the triac starts conducting. The MT2 is positive with respect to MT1 in the first quadrant, as this is the first quadrant. The MT2 is positive with respect to MT1 and it is negative in the third quadrant. This is third quadrant where MT2 is negative with respect to MT1. The gate triggering may occur in any of 4 modes. As we have discussed in the operation, there are 4 modes of operation for triac. Triac 4 મોડમાં ઓપરેટ થાય છે. તો ગેટ ટ્રિગરિંગ એ 4 મોડમાં પોસિબલ થઈ શકે છે. The device, when start conduction, permits a very heavy amount of current to flow through it, and this large inrush of current must be restricted by employing external resistance. Otherwise, this device may get damaged. So, જ્યારે પણ ટ્રાયક કંડક્શન કરવાનું શરૂ કરે છે ત્યારે તેમાં હેવી કરંટ ફ્લો થતો જોવા મળે છે અને આ કરંટને રિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ કરવા માટે રેઝિસ્ટન્સ, એક્સટર્નલ રેઝિસ્ટન્સ પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે, અધરવાઇઝ ડિવાઇસને ડેમેજ થઈ શકે છે. The gate is the control terminal of this device. As the gate terminal is control terminal of this device, so by applying a proper signal to the gate, the firing angle of the device can be controlled. So, triac no firing angle આપણે કંટ્રોલ કરી શકીએ છીએ by controlling the gate terminal. અને તેના માટે the gate ને કંટ્રોલ કરવા માટે gate triggering circuit નો પણ ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. The gate triggering circuit for the triac are almost same like those used in SCR. So SCR માં જે આપણે gate triggering circuit use કરીએ છીએ, સેમ તેવી circuit triac ના triggering માટે પણ use થાય છે. And this triggering circuits usually generate trigger pulses for firing the device. And this triggering pulse should be of sufficient magnitude and duration so that the firing of the device is assured. So triac shortly fired થાય તેવી રીતે એનો triggering pulse arrange કરવામાં આવે છે. Usually a duration of 35 microsecond, duration of 30 to 35 microsecond is sufficient for sustaining the firing of this device. And after conduction of this device, you can see this is the on state condition where SCR1 is conducting and MT2 is positive. And same characteristic in third quadrant, when the voltage exceeds the breakover voltage, the triac starts conducting and SCR2 is conducting when MT2 is negative. So this is on state region. તો આ characteristic SCR ની characteristic જેવી જ છે. તેમાં ટ્રાયકના ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુનિયસ ઓન સ્ટેટ વોલ્ટેજ લગભગ 1.5 વોલ્ટ જેટલા હોય છે. તેનો ઓન સ્ટેટ કરંટ લગભગ 25 એમ્પિયર જેટલો હોય છે. તેનો હોલ્ડિંગ કરંટ લગભગ 75 મિલી એમ્પિયર જેટલો હોય છે અને એવરેજ ટ્રિગરિંગ કરંટ IG 5 મિલી એમ્પિયર જેટલો હોય છે. So this is all about the characteristic of triac. હવે આપણે તેના ફાયદા અને ગેરફાયદાની ચર્ચા કરીશું. Advantages and disadvantages of triac. So let's first discuss about the advantages. Triac નો પહેલો ફાયદો છે કે તે પોઝિટિવ અને નેગેટિવ બંને પોલારિટી માટે ટ્રિગર થઈ શકે છે. Triac can be triggered with both positive and negative polarity voltages. તેનો બીજો ફાયદો છે કે ટ્રાયકને જે કંઈ પણ હીટ સિંકની જરૂર પડે છે, that requires a single heat sink of slightly larger size, whereas anti-parallel SCR pair requires two heat sinks of slightly smaller size. ઓકે, ટ્રાયકમાં જનરલી શું હોય, મોટી સાઇઝની હીટ સિંકની જરૂર પડે, જ્યારે જે SCR ને એન્ટી પેરેલલ કનેક્શન કરેલું છે ટ્રાયકમાં, તેના કારણે જે હીટ સિંકની જરૂર પડે છે તેની સાઇઝ ઓછી હોય છે. તે તેનો ફાયદો છે. અને તેનો બીજો ફાયદો છે કે ટ્રાયક જે છે તેમાં સિંગલ ફ્યુઝની જરૂર પડે છે પ્રોટેક્શન માટે, એન્ડ તેના કારણે તેનું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન સિમ્પલ થઈ જાય છે. સો ઇટ રિક્વાયર્સ અ સિંગલ ફ્યુઝ ફોર પ્રોટેક્શન પર્પઝ, which also simplifies the construction. So ટ્રાયકનું કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન સિમ્પલ હોય છે, તેમાં હીટ સિંકની સાઇઝ નાની હોય છે અને તે પોઝિટિવ અને નેગેટિવ બંને પોલારિટી માટે ટ્રિગર કરી શકાય છે. આ તેના ફાયદા છે. નાઉ ડિસએડવાન્ટેજીસ, તેના ગેરફાયદા. ટ્રાયકના ગેરફાયદાની વાત કરીએ તો ટ્રાયક એ SCR કરતાં ઓછા રિલાયબલ છે, less reliable than SCRs. SCR કરતાં તેનું રેટિંગ ઓછું હોય છે. Triacs available in lower ratings than those of SCR. Triac have dV by dt rating lower than the SCRs. તેનું dV by dt rating lower than SCRs કરતા ઓછું હોય છે. And a trigger circuit with triac needs careful consideration because it can be triggered in either direction. As we considered it is as a advantage, but જ્યારે બંને બાજુથી ટ્રિગર થઈ શકતું હોય either in positive and negative polarity, તો તેમાં થોડી એક્સ્ટ્રા કન્સિડરેશનમાં લેવું પડે છે. So that is the disadvantage also. So the trigger circuit of triac needs some careful consideration. So આ તેનો ગેરફાયદો છે. તેની એપ્લિકેશનની વાત કરીએ તો next to the SCR, the triac is the most widely used member of the thyristor family. SCR પછી જો સૌથી વધારે વપરાતું હોય તો એ ટ્રાયક છે. In fact, in many of the control applications, it has replaced the SCR by virtue of its bidirectional conductivity. તેની bidirectional conductivityના કારણે મોટાભાગની કંટ્રોલ એપ્લિકેશનમાં SCRની જગ્યાએ હવે ટ્રાયકનો ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. જેમ કે મોટર સ્પીડ રેગ્યુલેશન છે, ટેમ્પરેચર કંટ્રોલ છે, ઇલ્યુમિનેશન કંટ્રોલ, લિક્વિડ લેવલ કંટ્રોલ, ફેઝ કંટ્રોલ સર્કિટ, પાવર સ્વિચીસ વગેરેમાં ટ્રાયકનો ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. એપ્લિકેશન્સ. ટ્રાયકની એપ્લિકેશનની વાત કરીએ તો મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ કંટ્રોલ એપ્લિકેશન્સમાં ટ્રાયકનો ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે, જેમ કે મોટર, સ્પીડ રેગ્યુલેશન, ટેમ્પરેચર કંટ્રોલ, illumination control, liquid level control, phase control circuit, power switches, these are various controlling applications where the triac is used. So, આ બધી જ એપ્લિકેશન્સ છે, કંટ્રોલ એપ્લિકેશન, મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધેમ આર, અને જેમાં ટ્રાયકનો ઉપયોગ કરવામાં આવે છે. So this is all about the triac. So here we have referred all power semiconductor devices, and next time we will discuss about the polyphase rectifier circuits. Thank you. Thank you.